Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to join yarn without having those strings to sew in. So everything that I'm using in this video is linked in the description box below, and without wasting any further time, let's get right into the video. Here you can see that I have left a good 10 inches of yarn, and I'm going to take another ball of yarn and leave equal amount like 10 inches of that yarn as well. And now we're going to make an X like this with the yarn. Now we'll take the first string and we'll fold it into half. We'll fold the second string into half as well, and we'll create sort of a knot over there. It's not a knot, but we're going to create that loop over there. Then we'll take both the strands of yarn and we are going to crochet with both the strands of yarn. We are going to continue crocheting. So here I was making double crochets. So we're just going to normally continue crocheting with both the strands of yarn here. So this is a close-up for you. You can see that I have both the strings of yarn held in my hands and I'm crocheting with them. It can be a bit tricky, but see, that's how you actually join yarn, and you don't have anything to sew in as such. So the little part of yarn that a little string of yarn that you see is remaining, you can just cut it off. You don't have to sew in. And we will continue making double crochets or whatever our stitch is, and you can see that soon we can leave that yarn, we can leave that part of yarn, and soon we are again back to one strand and we are crocheting as usual. So this trick works well when you have thin yarn. If you have, like, it works well with medium weight yarn as well, but if you have a very thick yarn, if you're using blanket yarn or something, then this trick might not work for that. And this is how your yarn join will look like. Now you see these two small strands of yarn, you can simply cut them off, you don't need to sew them in. So that's how you join your yarn without having to sew in the ends. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!